I don't know if you can hear me, but get a load of this. Huh? Look at it, it's all stirred up. You can't even see the camera. Backers. I don't think that fucker's gonna stay there. Wow. This is crazy. Like being out in a terribly stormy sea. The wind, in no way, I like going the same direction. Look at that. What do you think? It's probably like 2-foot swells. Look over there. Look at this place. I decided to weigh it down. I think that was good thinking. Look at that. Whoa! Alright, maybe not 2 feet, maybe a foot between the peaks and the valleys. Yeah, this is pretty neat. I tell you what. I think you can probably hear the wind. I feel like I'm on a boat. We're plowing through the waves. Look at these fuckers. Holy cow. This guy didn't make it. I don't know, I bet that's about a 15-mile-an-hour breeze.